Hello students, this is the second part of video for chapter number 2 of civics. Topic wise the exercise is given. The first topic is what is health. People expect the government to work for their welfare. Name any 6 welfare activities done by the government. So first is education, second is health, third we are having employment, next housing, development of roads and electricity. See the third question, what does the health mean? Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. So we all need to be without mental strain. Healthcare in India, define medical tourist, foreigners who come to this country for medical treatment at a lower cost. What are communicable diseases? These are diseases that are spread from one person to another in many ways, such as through water, air, food, etc. List the healthcare facility to prevent and treat illness. Sorry, I forgot third one. See the third one. India is the 4th largest producer of medicine in the world. Now fourth one. List the healthcare facilities to prevent and treat illness. So healthcare centers, hospitals, laboratories, ambulance services, blood banks, etc. These are the facilities to prevent and treat illness. Define public healthcare system. So the public health service is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. Complete the sentence. The term paradox means something that is contrary to what we would expect. Next topic we are having public and private healthcare services. Healthcare facilities can be divided into 2 categories. They are public healthcare service and private healthcare service. So define public healthcare service. Health service is a chain of health centers run by government. Secondly, we are having private health services, that is organized by an individual or a company for their own profit. PHC stands for Primary Health Center. At the district level, district hospitals supervise the health centers. Now give reason. Health services are called public because these services are provided by government. For the same money is obtained as taxes from the public. The government must safeguard the right to life of every person. RMP stands for Registered Medical Practitioners. How are taxes used by the government? Government uses tax money for providing many public services for the benefit of all citizens. Some services such as defense, police, judicial system, highway, etc. benefits all citizen. Next topic we are having healthcare and equality is adequate healthcare service to all. See the first fill-ups. Public healthcare medical services are much easily available to the people in India. Complete the sentence. Code of Medical Ethics says that every physician should, as far as possible, prescribe drugs with generic names, and he or she shall ensure that there is a rational prescription and use of drugs. In a poor family, medical expenses cause hardship. Illness in a poor family is a cause of anxiety and distress. List the issues regarding health faced by the poor. So they are undernourished, basic amenities were not provided to them, lack of money, women's health concerns are considered less than men. Sixth one, women's health concerns are considered to be less important. Define ethics, moral principle that influence a person's behavior. Generic names means these are the chemical names of the drugs that they help in identifying the ingredients. They are globally recognized. Next topic we are having what can be done. Health is dependent on amenities and social conditions of the people. What are the different ways through which the government can take steps to provide health care for all? Discuss. Like Kerala, 40% of budget was given to panchayats. This makes sure of proper planning for water, food, etc. Like Costa Rica, one of the country in South America, decided not to have an army. They saved money. The saved money would be used for basic services and amenities to the people. The basic services like education, food, drinking water, etc. Now the Kerala experience, the Costa Rican approach. Few fill-ups are given. In Kerala, 40% of entire state budget is given to the panchayat. What are Anganwadis? Anganwadi is a type of rural childcare centers in India. Workers are required to organize and provide supplementary nutrition for children, pregnant women, and nourishing mothers. Costa Rica is a country in South America. Costa Rica decided not to have an army. Fifth one, knowledge of health is an essential part of at all levels. Here are few objectives. Communicable disease spread through air. Public means an activity or service for all people in the country. It has the duty to safeguard right to life. So government has the duty. It is associated with drugs, generic names. Next we are having fill-ups. India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world and is among the largest producer of medicines. India gets large number of medical tourists from many countries. Most doctors in India are settled in urban areas. Half of the children in India are undernourished. Taxes fund developmental programs. Next we are having true and false. People who do not get adequate food or have to live in a cramped condition will be prone to illness. So that is true. Private services like healthcare are funded by tax money. False. They avail themselves of private healthcare services. Patients have to pay a lot of money. So that is true. Adequate healthcare available to all in India. True. To be healthy, it is not necessary to live without mental strain. That is false. Establishing equality in a democratic society is a continuous struggle. So that is true. So here your worksheet exercise completes. Please complete it and go through the video, which the explanation video already sent to you. Till then, stay tuned for next video. Thank you.